In this video, we listed the 5 best Creality 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality CR-M4 3D printer. The Creality CR-M4 is a versatile and high-performance 3D printer designed for home use, featuring advanced functionalities for precise and efficient printing. It is equipped with an all-metal, Sprite, direct dual-gear extruder that provides smooth filament feeding with a thrust of up to 80 N, making it ideal for printing high-precision models and flexible filaments like TPU. The printer boasts a genuine 25-point auto-leveling system with CR touch technology, ensuring accurate calibration with 0.05 mm dead offset precision. Its 4-layered build platform includes a flexible PC-coated surface for strong adhesion and easy removal of large models, complemented by a fast-heating bed and durable spring steel sheet. The CR-M4 offers multiple printing options, including cloud printing via Creality Cloud software, USB-A, USB-C, RJ45LAN, and Wi-Fi connections. Additionally, users can control multiple printers simultaneously through Creality Print or Creality Cloud web applications, enabling streamlined production workflows. Designed with robust materials like PC, metal, and steel, this printer combines durability and innovation in a compact design with dimensions of 18 inches by 18 inches by 18 inches and a weight of 15 kilograms. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D printer. The Creality K1C is an upgraded 3D printer designed for high-speed and efficient printing. Made with durable aluminum and featuring a sleek silver finish, the printer is compact with dimensions of 7 inches by 7 inches by 7 inches and weighs 18 kilograms. It offers a larger printing size of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, making it suitable for a variety of projects. The K1C boasts advanced features such as a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second, fully automatic leveling, and a dual-gear direct extruder for precise and reliable performance. Additionally, it is user-friendly and comes ready to use straight out of the box, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. Number 3. Creality 3D Printers Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a high-performance 3D printer designed for efficiency, versatility, and ease of use. It boasts a faster printing speed of up to 250 mm per second with 2500 mm s² acceleration, enabling users to complete high-quality models in less time compared to most FDM printers. Equipped with the Sprite direct drive extruder, it supports smooth feeding of various filaments such as PLA, PETG, and TPU, offering flexibility in printing materials. The printer is user-friendly, featuring easy installation in just 3 steps and advanced automation tools like CR Touch for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset, ensuring a perfect first layer for beginners and experienced users alike. Its robust design includes dual Z-axis synced by a timing belt to minimize wobbling and dual Y-axis linear shafts for stable and accurate motion. Additionally, Creality provides 1 year of after-sales service and responsive customer support, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals seeking high-quality 3D printing solutions. Number 4. Creality 8K Resin 3D printer. The SaneSmart Halet Mage Pro is a high-speed resin 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision. Offering a remarkable printing speed of 170 mm per hour, it is 3 to 5 times faster than competitors, with a build plate that lifts and lowers in just 1.2 seconds. Its 8K monochrome LCD screen boasts 33,177,600 pixels and a 29.7 micrometers XY resolution, delivering superior detail compared to 4K resin printers. The 10.3-inch screen is 45% larger than standard models, making it ideal for crafting intricate designs and verifying models. Features like an auto resin pump for automated refill and withdrawal of resin, along with a large activated carbon filter for odor absorption, enhance usability and ensure a safe working environment. The printer's integral light source 3.0 offers consistent curing with over 90% light uniformity and high light intensity for smooth surfaces and sharp contours. Its intuitive workflow includes a flip lid for easy access and a Halet box slicer with rich presets, complemented by a 1-year VIP subscription to Chichubox Pro. This advanced resin printer is compatible with laptops and personal computers, weighing 13 kilograms and measuring 13.11 inches by 10.62 inches by 23.93 inches. Number 5. Creality Ender 3S1 Plus. The Creality Ender 3S1 Plus is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for precision and ease of use. It features a large printing size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inches, making it suitable for creating larger models and projects. Equipped with CR Touch auto-leveling technology, it ensures accurate and hassle-free bed leveling for improved print quality. The printer also includes a high-precision Z-axis double screw system for enhanced stability and precision during printing. Its removable build plate allows for easy removal of finished prints, while the 4.3-inch touch screen provides an intuitive interface for smooth operation. This versatile and reliable 3D printer is ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking to achieve high-quality results.